So straight off the bat, what I'm going to sort out is the chain. It came with, had that sprocket on it there, which is the small size chain, which like pit bikes and farm bikes and stuff like that, small bikes have. But I want to put 520 chain on, which is what motocross bikes and road bikes have. Mostly just because that back sprocket is a 520 sprocket. So I found this sprocket, which I'd adapted to fit a pit bike, but it turns out that the backside fits straight on. So that's pretty amazing. So I just cut this piece off and bolt that up. Okay, so I got that sprocket on now, and the chain fits surprisingly well actually. Thought it was going to hit here, but it sort of goes underneath it. I might put a little plastic skid block here or something. And I cut these spacers for spacing the rear wheel. I made up some cardboard patterns. Put one each side of that, and then this one in here. So I'll cut those out now. Okay, so I've taken the swing arms all off. This aluminium bolt was what was holding this on, but it was jammed in there, so I had to drill it out. So I'm going to have to use a normal bolt. So I've just got to wire buff these up so I can put these plates on and weld them on, but I have to put it back together to tack it, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I've tacked those in place. It's all pretty rigid now, which is great. I'm thinking about building the fuel tank now. I was just going to replace this with a bigger tube, but it won't be enough capacity. So basically along the bottom line of this level, I'm going to make an aluminium, I'm going to fold a piece of aluminium and weld it along the top there and all around. So I'm just starting to draw the plan up now. So I've just worked out this is the size I want to have it. It's going to look like that from the side. And I think I'm going to get about 1.8 litres of fuel capacity, which I think will be, that'll be enough. Doesn't use that much fuel because it's a farm bike motor, and I can always carry more in a pack if I'm going for a long trail ride or whatever. Well, you're not going to believe this, but this is the last piece of 2mm aluminium plate that I have, and it just perfectly fits on it. So that was lucky, because I can't get more because they're on lockdown for the coronavirus still. So I've got this folded up. I cut these corners and bent this part in. So it's when I start welding it together, I'll panel bead it all in, weld it all the way around. I've got to cut a piece to fill the back in. And yeah, it turned out pretty good, I think. So I've been at this for ages now, trying to sort out this shock mount with a little gas reservoir. It wouldn't fit in there. That wouldn't fit on there with the carburetor on, so I had no choice but to cut it off. I tried all different things. I even cut this through here, and I was gonna move the whole lot off to the side, but then I thought it's going to twist the frame, so that's what I had to do. So anyway, I'm going to make the foot pegs now. I'm going to use a piece of this 20 NB galv pipe as the brace between them, and I've got some old pit bike ones here that I'm going to cut up through there and through there. So I made up a plan here for the foot peg mount. There's that foot peg assembly all together. See, they still move out of the way when you hit stumps and whatnot. So that's going to sit like that. So this bracket here almost fitted. I just got to trim around that top line there. And this one here was way off because the motor's different on the other side. So I'll do that now. It's been a lot of grinding. I'm sick of it, so I won't film this part. So I've got those brackets fitting. The foot pegs fit in there nice. This one was a bit harder to make fit. But now I've got to work on the back brakes. So I robbed this one off the motorbike. And it will actually kind of fit there because the kickstart can clear it. So I might try and make that one fit. Well guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe.